Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. There was a few of you guys asking what happened to the Gray Z, and unfortunately it did have to sell, so I sold it and moved on. But now I have that WRX and also the Tacoma back there. So let's just jump straight into the episode, and we're gonna install the light bar and probably do a little cool other things in today's video. So stay tuned. All right, so let's start off by removing this bar in the front because the light bar is just gonna sit right here, right in the little slot. And here's the light bar. Let's get her done. And here is the wiring harness. Should be pretty simple. Never done it before, so stay tuned. All right, now that we took off that front bumper guard, let's just try to mock up the light bar right there. Let's see how it looks. All right, we're gonna take our light bar and just try to mock this up right here. Something like that. Let me show you guys. So it's gonna look something like that. Looks actually pretty good. Now let's just grab this wiring harness and put it all together. I'll show you guys. This may look a little difficult, but it's actually super simple. So these two cables right here run to the battery, positive, negative. This runs to your light bar, positive, negative. And this just runs to the inside of the cab for your on and off switch. Super simple. Let's get it in there. All right, so now just unclip your on and off switch and run it through that little rubber grommet over there. And that just goes all the way to the interior of the cab. And then find a location where you want to mount it. I'm probably gonna do it either here, or somewhere around here. I don't know yet. All right, now that you have chosen your desired spot where you want to place your on and off switch, pretty simple. Just ran it through this rubber and then you connect it, hook it up to the battery. Let's do it. All right, 30 minutes later, we got the light bar installed. And let me show you guys how I wired up the light bar over here. So this cable runs from the light bar, connected them right here, electrical tape so they don't get wet, and then zip tied them to this bracket and also this bracket, and this is not going anywhere. And now let me show you guys the battery. This is the positive terminal, the negative, and then there's the right there you can see the relay, and then right there is the fuse, and then it just runs through here. Zip tied all the extra wire, and let me show you guys that it works. Ooh, brighter than your future. Let's go. Wow, that is so bright. I'll show you guys. Looks so good. Oh man, that looks so good. Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I received a bunch of parts to the Subaru, so let's just jump straight into the episode. Stay tuned. So I got my fog light covers, STI splitter or canards, whatever you want to call them. Got my coffee for today. Here's the Subaru. Picked up some wheels over the weekend. These are the Rhoda G-Force 18 by 9s, and also got my front lip or splitter and side skirts. So let's get the wheels on and let's throw everything on and we'll see how it looks. All right, got her on the ground and she got to go low. We got to drop her. But here's what it looks like. Love the fitment so far. Just gotta lower it about maybe 3 inches or so. And same thing with the front. I want this fender to be sitting probably like here somewhere. We gotta roll the fenders, we gotta lower it. Let's get to work. So just got the passenger wheels on, and oh my goodness, what do we have here? Look at this positive camber. So I gotta go in here and adjust the camber, and then if we go over here, we got some negative camber. Because look at this side now. This side sits flush. That one sits flush. But look at this side. They just dumb messed up. So let's get to work. Good morning, guys. It is now the next day, and that Subaru just beat me up last night. I couldn't figure out why that camber over there, that positive camber, was just being so annoying. I couldn't figure out why, and so I looked it up on some forums. Maybe it's like you need like a camber bolt or something, but I'll take a look at it later. And also I tried to lower on the coilovers that it came with, but they are completely seized and shut. So I had to order some new ones, but that guy at the paint booth is waiting for me, so I gotta go drop it off. So stay tuned, you guys. Thanks for watching, and by the time you guys see it next, it'll look completely different. So I'm gonna do a little before clip and then an after clip when it's done. So let's hit the montage. You guys saw that little pull that I was doing, right? And if you notice, the RPM was kind of like, it wasn't running right. And then, yep, check engine light turns on. Knowing Subaru, it's probably the head gasket. So stay tuned, you guys.